I'm Rajesh Dempo, Managing Director and Founder of Vision Dempo Group and the Crown Goa Hotels. दोतोर तुमकां आज वाडदिवसाची मनोनीत परबी आनी शुभेच्छा. विशिंग यू गुड हेल्थ, हॅपिनस एंड लॉंग लायफ. एक म्हणूंक सोदता हांव की द ट्रू लीडर इज जस्ट नॉट नोन बाय पोजिशन ही होल्ड्स, बट बाय द वे ही कनेक्ट्स विथ पीपल and express his concerns. Dotor, this is a fine example of this. His personality reflects humility, approachability, and a deep sense of responsibility towards the people of Goa. And I have seen him closely working for so many years. Having interacted with Dotor in several occasions because of personal and business related activities. Despite his busy schedule, I remember you always called us, heard our concerns, suggestions, and gave your time. Even in a short notice meeting also you were there available for the industry. Once again, I wish you all the best, Dotor, and wishing you continued success in serving the people of Goa. Thank you.